Yeah, this a lot, living in this grind. Howard Lutnick's got us trapped, no way out, it's designed. Wake up clock and return to the grind. Howard Lutnick says it's a future well fine. But Americans don't want shackles on their backs. Factory job dream crumbles, faded on the tracks. Kids picking machines, grandkids in the same chain. But I see the truth, it's just a cycle of pain. Deregulation, rising labor laws, losing grip. Unsafe practice, man, we're on a sinking ship. No escape in sight, it's a trap, not a dream. Factory life's a nightmare, ripping apart at the seam. Underneath the surface, the truth starts to show. This grind don't give options, it just steals your soul. Living in hell, can't you see the sign? Slave labor in the shadows, look how we confined. Welcome to the new model, where hope is just a lie. Stuck in this factory job just so we can watch the dreams die. AI's coming for us, yeah, it's taking over fast. No future in this madness, this ain't built to last. Living in hell, can't you see the sign? Slave labor in the shadows, look how it confines. Welcome to the golden age, white collar elimination, stuck in industry, dystopia, wild arts on vacation. Trillionaires now rule in the Trump administration. Machines now fix themselves, blue collar exploitation. Gen Z not bound for college with costs so out of reach. The plan to keep you stupid, just obey corporate, please. Assembly lines moving, but so is my pain. Pushing through the motions in a rusted domain. Promised jobs for life, but there's no real gain. Just a manufactured life, driving folks insane. Kids wearing goggles, trapped in the haze, while profits balloon in the corporate maze. Dangers lurking close, they don't care, it's insane. Under radar, all we get is disdain. What's left for the dreamers, the fight is the crew. When the plan shake, the future with nothing new. We can't follow the masses, gotta carve our own way. A life built on hope, not a 9-to-5 grade. This factory job, dystopia is a prison disguise. But together we can rise up, break free from the lies. So we just send them loud, let it echo tonight. In a world full of shadows, we'll stand up for the light. Welcome to the new model, where hope is just a lie. Stuck in this factory job just so we can watch the dreams die. AI's coming for us, yeah, it's taking over fast. No future in this madness, this ain't built to last. So wake up, rise up, let's break these chains. No future in this cycle, we gotta shift the lanes. Welcome to the golden age, white collar elimination, stuck in industry, dystopia, wild arts on vacation. Trillionaires now rule in the Trump administration. Machines now fix themselves, blue collar exploitation. So wake up, rise up, let's break through walls. No future in this cycle, where auntie starts in the halls.
Other than its forthcoming. Investigations continue, but federal officials are not allowing anyone to question what is going